Well, I'm very happy to be doing this interview this morning because we've been talking about enough to make our spirits feel a little heavy. So we're going to lighten things now. Tears of sadness, just a year later, turned into tears of joy. 16-year-old Renisa Thomas battled cancer and won. You guys may remember her from the Star's February 12, 2019 headline. It read, $1.5 million needed for teens' cancer treatment. Well, she's here. She got the money, clearly, and got her healing, clearly, and she's with her mom, Melody Martin. Guys, meet Renisa Thomas and her mother. Good morning to you both.
Good
and
morning.
Thank you for being here. I'm so happy to see you both. Renisa, I'm so happy to talk to you this morning. First of all, before we head back to a year ago, tell us how you are feeling now.
Well, I'm feeling fantastic. It's like a brand new me. I mean, I couldn't ask for more, but I feel better than before when I didn't have cancer. I mean, I feel more positive in myself. I mean, I'm pushing myself forward and stuff.
Yeah. Just did exams the other day.
Yes.
No? 14 A's. Right, Mommy? Yes, she never leave no A's on the table for nobody else.
I left the BNC.
You left the BNC. All right, it's okay. It was a tumor. It's called Wilms tumor, which affects the kidney, right? Primarily in children. It's also known as nephroblastoma. It is the most common cancer of the kidneys in children. How did you know? Because a part of this interview is to educate, eh? How did you know something was not right with Renisa?
Okay, she complained of pain in the back or
Pain
to
in
the
her
side.
back?
Right, to the
Right.
side, near close to the side, or right side. So, and she said when she lie down, she feels something swinging in her.
Swinging.
Well, when I'm hungry, it would stand up like stiff. So if I move it, it will move around the back and come back. Sometimes I don't feel it there, but then it's like it gets bigger. If I move it, it will move. Because it's that big. It won't stay when it's big, and it just move.
How big was the tumor when you removed it? They usually
Well,
measure.
the size,
Like a
I just can
fist.
tell it's bigger than your face. It's like a head. The size I saw in the picture, it's like maybe a little bit bigger than it. I don't know how it fits in there, but
Wow. And it was causing you great discomfort and great pain.
yeah.
So you went in, you had a diagnosis,
Yes,
devastating.
yes.
What does it feel like? You were 12 at the time?
I was 14.
You were 14.
Well, I had it before that, but when I found out, I was 14 going on 15.
What does it feel like at 14 to get that diagnosis?
It was tragic. I mean, if I heard it now, I would be more sad, but it was a bit tragic.
Yeah, must have been rough for you too. Miss Mary.
Yeah, it was. We cried when I heard the result. We cried.
Yeah.
We hugged each other. And the doctor was there to support her at UA
Yeah.
and tell us not to give up hope. They are working on her. So
Yeah.
she lost the right kidney.
She lost
So,
her right kidney.
Yeah, the mass covered the entire kidney.
Wow. So the right kidney is gone completely.
Right.
But she still has one healthy
Yes,
one, and
yeah.
she'll be good with that one.
Right.
Well, let me ask you, the treatment. The article says, Renisa, that there were times when you wanted to die other than go through chemo.
Yes, because chemo is very hard. It's very, very hard on this immune. As I told Glenn and I tell everybody else, it's better that you have a knife and stab me in the back other than me doing chemotherapy. This is very hard. I felt worse than anything else in my life. I don't know, but it's very hard.
I cannot imagine what it must be like to see your daughter going through that.
Yeah.
And she went through it for how long?
She went through it she did the surgery in September 13, and she started the chemo in November of 2018 up to August of 2019. Just a little break in May for the radiation.
And when did you feel like, okay, I'm starting to feel good in my body. Something is happening.
When I finish chemo.
When I finished a round of chemo. Yeah.
Like August, last year, August.
Wow. Okay. And then, tell me about the visit now when you went to the doctor and heard that all was well.
Okay. We were supposed to visit the doctor last Friday, but we heard the news the week before, before the date. So doctor called me, Dr. Reese Mills called me and said, oh, we heard from sick kids. And he said, and we got the result. Yeah, it wasn't surprise. It wasn't surprise.
You weren't surprised?
No.
Why?
I have faith.
Yes, you've been praying.
Right, I've been praying. I have faith. So when she said, oh, and her and sick kids said they were waiting on result for the lungs because we had the result already for the tummy area that the cancer removed from the kidney there. And when she said, we heard from sick kids and the result is Renee said don't have to do no more chemo. Renee said don't have to come back to us for any more treatment and she's fine. I wanted to tell her for me.
Oh, God.
So I was there planning on how to tell her.
So how did you tell her?
Her sister called her because when I got the news, I just called her sister and tell her that we got the result. And her sister called her after school and she said, where are you? And she said, I'm at school. And she said, okay, let mommy tell you. So she came to my workplace with the, what did I do? What did I do? So I just picked up the phone and said, you know, I have something to tell you. So I want to see how she react to it, have a future look at it. And that's how I come up with the recording for it.
How do you feel, my darling?
I was jumping.
Yeah.
I mean, I had a positivity that I wasn't going back. Whether God says yes or God says I wasn't going back. Well, most of the time, I told my mommy I wasn't going back. And she was like, you have to go back, or if you stop this, you're me sick, or this and that. I didn't care, because right there, I'm already sick. I was already sick. But I tried, I went back, I did what I had to do, and I wasn't going back.
And here you are.
Yes.
We have to go, but, you know, there are other kids in your situation. There are other adults in your situation, male, female, young, old, who are going through that struggle and fighting that disease. I want you to leave a word with them this morning.
Okay. All I have to do is just to pray, hold on, have faith, and have that positivity with them. Have persons around them with positive thoughts, the persons that can give them courage, encourage them and motivate them to whatever they are going through. And don't forget to pray, if I said that before.
You did, but it's okay to say it twice.
Yes.
You're doing well in school. We wish you all the best as you continue. Mom, a word from you to parents who are going through this with their children as we go.
Okay, they're going through this. They need the family around them.
Support.
They need the support. So,
Plug into your support system.
Right, pray, have faith. Just trust God.
Yeah.
They'll make it.
Wow. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Good job, really. All the best to you. Such a beautiful story. Thank you, Renesia Thomas and her mom, Melody Martin. We have more on the other side of Smile. We'll be right back.